Have him back. And the police them, we are them bad number, man. We are them bad number for our video. We are the police them bad number. So we are going to put them up. Because they have to let out the man out of that. We are miserable. Hey, I fuck with them, I keep up. I keep up, I hold him on a blood clot deal. Level him, man. I'm doing
when was I son evil?
Let's out the man out of that. I'm not going to hold on for the man.
Max is free.
You see, man?
Max is free. Max don't do
hey, man, say, come out of that. You know, go on like you don't know picking him. You wait till it jump on the doorstep or on the footstep. You wait. You wait till it jump on the footstep or on the doorstep. You teach somebody to know pass around the leaf. You teach somebody to know pass around the leaf. You wait. Let go of the man out of that. You need somebody afraid for you.
I am going to talk
something. I'm not afraid for you.
Look here now. So many years and going on with. Yes. And nobody in commit murder and rape into all sorts of something. All of water with charging of the poison water in Bondom, in government. Paris. So, yeah, so. And look here, all of that, it report and the police them say, do something first. And that the police then have it and say, you know, have to do something first. Yes, they don't come out and hold him. And see them kill him. All know when they kill him.
Straight them alone.
Some of them are man kidnap and some of them are mule. They never
no heart. They don't have no heart in them.
We want justice. Free man. Well, Maxwell in a hospital call name. Why not? First thing she put out time out. What happened to Kaidra?
Maxwell talk. Say I'm JJ. You know leg off man. He talking at present to me. Say I'm JJ. But when man go in there and catch him and drying down, man sick. And Maxwell have it attack. When he dry down, him man down. They say I'm pissing piss up and piss and blood. Maxwell already he kill it picnic. Maxwell still at the
Justice.
We want justice.
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We Tell me if you fear. Tell me if you fear. Look at me knees. Pretty. Come in here. Ask so much. Kill him. Premeditated. roadside they go, they say right, maybe I want accident in bunks or what. I know bush, not man in a bush in Kenya. Kill him, rape him and kill the fucking child out of the sea. We go burn him. Go burn him.
Put me in, you never say go.
Free man. Free man.
Stop it, little girl, come by the 2 pound of chicken. One man. And the boy come without the chicken. One man come with nobody else.
Look, them big boy. You want to hear nothing from them. If you let out the man out of that man to come and come walk here, so I come demonstrate you. The man to come demonstrate you. I want to you. The man to come demonstrate you. The police boy and the boy. That's why they hold the man so long in that.
Hold up everybody
people place.
That's how we don't get no picnic.
We can't have a bushmack sleeve. Max don't have it time.
The man are working and the man are balling broke. Oh, you come take up one man. I want to find people here that come look for people. Oh, I'm doing it.
I want man to see
Me can still say something about my granddaughter because my granddaughter and me live with whatever time the children them a go to school and see that man. Them have to run a bullfrog and then call him.
Afraid to go home, to pass the wife, to go home. And I have to get somebody to accompany her to go home.
I know action of
the boy do here. I'm like that. Innocent. I pay things.
He get locked up 3 times. 3 times in their family school and come back. The police was here to kill somebody. We want justice. We want justice.
He's going for the big woman them around and tie around the stuff. community and do them something.
Justice system.
Police are not
take the school. Come and see
everybody friend. She's so friendly.
No me they come and say they can't find Jesus Christ, JJ. That's what I'm saying. Mr. Put on me clothes in the sack.
Wicked.
and me up and say they killed you. Me say, me say, why you come?
Me come out and me say, what you say? Guy no much come a shop. Just come a shop. And the boy take my chicken and it's $200. And I could know if you go bunny look up.
Kill him.
Rape him. Tell me all. Because we're not any of you look on.
And if you don't rape him, and let him use the bad, but rape him and kill him.
Cut him short. A dull knife he use on soccer. I look up in the throat. He might have to look on the pin. No, it up me yeah, they up. I look, Likkle baby, kill him.
I said kill him.
Imagine the little girl that said, imagine the little girl that beg feel like, but that never got through all the way. Don't touch him.
We want justice. Justice we want. Justice. It was not easy, it was corrupt.
Everybody, mama.
Hello everyone, this is Shana, the auntie of the deceased or the victim. My name is Shana. They are Falmouth because I don't live up here, I live in Falmouth. And I get a call from my niece at town and tell me say, if you call my mother and tell her say, they find Kaidra. I say, find Kaidra? How you mean by find Kaidra? After Kaidra no missing. He say if you call him, tell him say they find Kaidra and Kaidra short cut. Phone just put on my hand. And I say, what you say? I want girl say to me, Shana, what happened? I tell her, say, me get one call from my niece, tell me, so one of my other niece, short cut. So I call me call them, I can't get nobody. But when I come now, I get to realize, say, mommy send her a shop from 3 and I drive, she get goat. So that take her 15 minutes to come back because I'm not far. So mommy did that 3:30, can't see her come. So he send the other cousin. Why never send she and the cousin know? Because the cousin drop off a bicycle and he back and peel up. So he didn't want to send him 3 in a pain. So he send her and he was a day, so run go and buy an okay out, so run come back. You understand? So the girl now did it. Go buy this something and come back. I come back, mommy can't see him come. So he call the other little one where him get scraped up and say, go look if you see your cousin. Can't take too long to come back. Alric walk come all the way out to try and he no see Kaidra. He go back around and say, mommy, you know see me no see Kaidra? Same time mommy say, Kwesi I come back at Alric that a family son. Kwesi you no see Kaidra? No. No mommy, so why Kaidra there? Mommy say, alright, me I go look if me see him. So he two of them, he two pitney and my mother turn out tired. Same time daddy come. He said to daddy, say, daddy you no see Kaidra? Daddy said no, but go and go look for him because me move the goat they got. So me gonna bush a man, me no look for the goat them. So daddy said, go and go look about the goat them. So daddy said, come back up and say, no man, no, mommy no come back yet. Look for the time and it get late. So mommy say, alright. Daddy say, alright, me go walk goat. And when daddy go daddy a goat, he buck up on the girl when he nicket. And a nicket, he say, see, and said to nicket, say, nicket said to him, say, Winston, Kaidra up a yard? He said, no, I him me I go look for. Nicket turn back and say, me I turn back with you, go help, search. Mommy said, daddy said, you trying to corner, he say, slurry. We call him Wolfie. And Wolfie say, I look him, I look but him a walk. And look to him roadside if you see if anywhere mash. Daddy a move so far, daddy now consider that, so daddy pass the slippers. Yes. So daddy going on one place near building gate. So slowly pass daddy now and go back up the road and go back round to free yard. So I say, see one slippers here. So daddy turn back and say, me come look if I slippers me me know that is when he come back and say yes to Kaidra Everyting slippers because Kaidra don't wear fear slippers, she wear Everyting slippers. So daddy say yes, see them. Alright. You I look now, so you see where the truck. So daddy say, alright, come we walk follow over there. Three of them. Him Nicket, daddy and Slurry, and he walk over the lane. They walk up on the other foot of slippers. Not far from there, so daddy say, you see where shot. Like you know when somebody did a struggle, so they use the little girl. Blood trail start there so. And daddy then look. Daddy say, it come like a girl, soul come out time, or he play, kind of night come down, you know. So you know, so everywhere get dark. And daddy say, you see one bright light get up over one place. So daddy look, follow a little track, see you guys track, did they? And when daddy look, I look a girl body. Daddy see lay down and daddy I call him. No answer, daddy go over there, he say, Jesus Christ, then kill him. In throat cut. Right now, from me know daddy, by 1991, you know, when I come in the room, but we grew up with my father. Because my father and my mother married. And my father 68, 7-year-old, 8 this year, 68 this year. And my father never cry. And JJ made my father cry. From that day, my father don't stop crying yet. My father can't come, my father don't sleep. Right now, around there sleep, and we're glad for let him asleep. Kind of sleep. My father smoke every day, and we are trying to stop. But when that day will stop smoke now? When that day will stop drink? Because of this, look on Kaidra. Oh God, look on Kaidra. Kaidra, I'm the nicest girl. If Kaidra call to you, and you don't hear Kaidra, stop and wave to you. Because you want your sister to call to you. Try primary, see school, Kaidra one of the brilliantest. Kaidra a medal around the yard, serve ticket. 1 week ago, Kaidra done summer class. As Kaidra get serve ticket as the most, we call it, the brightest student, the brilliantest student in a school. And I cut to look alive, pin alive, shout up on his mother, see his mother can't talk to nobody, brother. His mother can't talk to nobody to his mother feel, brother. I tell you. And then I'm actually lock up and Maxwell call him out, come out and jump up and lock up people, brother. And if you make it work good on, and if you have to good on, and if you come back here, when you come out, come and defend his son in the ranks. You might defend his son in the ranks.
People that don't get pick me. I don't get pick me.
Oh, the girl.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
We want justice! 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 We want justice after your wrongs! Who no free man? Innocent! Innocent man who no lock up on the free! We want justice! Free man! Free man!
Stinking boy. What are we going on there? You just left system fear us.
This man did it. One man can't do one man. They agree with it. They agree with it. They agree with it. They are back in rapists, that's like this. So they lock him.
You can't keep 10-year old and think that you're going to get away.
Likkle picking.
Daddy have back the boy. All him eat dead. You know what I can't see the boy. I can't know what's up. Look here. We want justice for the free man. Free me pick me daddy. Come back to school.
We are Lord of God, Falmouth. We want justice.
We need to go Falmouth. Oh, you feel like him up Falmouth. We need to go Falmouth. Come.
We don't get up and make nice people and protest. We don't come out to come protest.
Falmouth. Falmouth, we need justice.
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Justice in Max. We want justice in Max. We want justice in Max. Justice in Max. Free
kill him, I know what Max no kill nobody. Don't lock up Manchester people. Christian people.
Take information from the
Why so people? Don't lock up everybody.
What evil?
Look on the girls there, yes or no? Look on the girls there, yes or no?
We want justice! We want justice! Come on. Free me Penny Daddy! Free me Penny Daddy! We want justice for money woman's son. When they cut out the wall and picking the pussy, we want justice!
Money there. Right. Big Max. Big Mac. Big Mac.
Whatever!
Sorry, they put a one five of
Just tell up, man. Just cool, man. Just cool. We're not on top, man. We're not on top.
Max Henry.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
We want justice. What's the superintendent? Maxwell Henry. Maxwell Henry.